She's too old for love. Changing self, the old you to walk in God's love. This goes out to all the ladies, young ladies alike. There's a myth running around town. Women in their beauty, more wiser, full of wisdom, having a good sense of life, a good sense of judgment, should give up on true love. Is it because she has a range of information of hesitance of others' characteristics before the lies drowns the truth? The true intentions of physical support from a man, true intentions to fulfill his needs only? Pay close attention, young ladies, to this message. It just might save you from pain when he decides to say, "Oh, I'm not ready for a relationship," after he gets little lady. You know what I mean. Putting self in place don't blind you from what is true, but giving in too soon can blind you from the truth. The one you can trust is the one you can't trust. Change yourself to walk in God's love. Change the old you. That what is old is the old you. You never grow old. You change old, the old you, for a new and better you. You're more brighter. You're wiser. You're more respectful to self. Speak on the positive, avoiding the negativity of self and life. You become grounded with wisdom. You change the old to the new, much brighter, younger. You have boundaries. You understand what is information, what is important to you in life. Your passion holds time with ease. A fine line like fine wine that never gets old, only better in time. True love is still awaiting for a second time around. She's never too old for love.